Motorcycles for beginners: the ultimate guide. KTM Duke 390. The KTM Duke 390 is a standout option for beginner riders who want something with a bit more performance and excitement than typical entry-level motorcycles. Known for its aggressive styling, sharp handling, and responsive engine, the Duke 390 offers a dynamic experience without being too overwhelming for newcomers. With modern features and an excellent power-to-weight ratio, it's a great choice for those looking to grow into a more capable bike while maintaining an approachable riding experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KTM Duke 390 is a 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces 44 horsepower and 37 Newton-meters of torque. While this power output may seem substantial for beginners, the Duke 390's smooth and responsive throttle makes it accessible and easy to handle. The engine offers an engaging performance that strikes a perfect balance between power and control, allowing new riders to build their confidence without feeling overpowered. The 6-speed gearbox is crisp and responsive, providing seamless shifting for smoother transitions between gears. The Duke 390 also features a quick revving engine, which can make city riding and overtaking feel effortless, all while remaining manageable at lower speeds. For beginner riders looking for a bike that can offer thrills while helping them develop their skills, the Duke 390 is an excellent choice. Comfort and ergonomics. KTM has designed the Duke 390 to be lightweight and agile, making it ideal for new riders still getting used to handling a motorcycle. Weighing just 172 kilograms, 379 pounds, with a seat height of 830 millimeters, 32.7 inches, the Duke 390 is not intimidating for most beginners. The narrow profile of the bike makes it easier to control and maneuver through tight city streets or when learning basic riding techniques. The upright riding position and wide handlebars ensure comfort, giving riders an optimal view of the road while maintaining a relaxed posture. The well-padded seat also helps reduce discomfort during longer rides, making it a good option for beginners who want to explore more than just short-distance commutes. The bike's suspension offers a good balance between comfort and performance, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. Features and technology. The KTM Duke 390 comes with a range of modern features that enhance safety, convenience, and rider experience. Digital display: the TFT instrument cluster provides essential information like speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip data in a clear and contemporary format. LED lighting: the Duke 390 is equipped with stylish and bright LED headlights and taillights, enhancing visibility on the road. ABS anti-lock braking system: the Duke 390 features cornering ABS for added safety, especially when braking in challenging conditions. Why it's perfect for beginners. The KTM Duke 390 strikes the perfect balance between approachable performance and modern technology. Its lightweight design, manageable power output, and agile handling make it an excellent choice for beginners who want to explore the world of motorcycling without jumping straight into larger, heavier bikes. The Duke 390 offers a fun, thrilling ride that will build a rider's confidence while providing plenty of room to grow. Whether commuting, exploring twisty roads, or even heading to a track day, the KTM Duke 390 is an exciting and versatile option for new riders.